GC News, Meba Obibia Aquaba, Ahadia, latest and hot news in Kwa Enamide and Bremo. Anuti, so we subscribe ya. Pomodia say over subscribe to the channel. You will have say over click the subscribe button. Now what barely notification. We understand new video be uploaded. When the first person I was saying a video, I think we are now like video. Give us a thumbs up, Nothing. Share my offer for so now. When you be here now, and some also. Wagana me manum. Afi yembo ya and sema abeto ya pnoso. Eye easy na electoral commission eye sensem bi na for one ho eye apato ebe basu. Eye si BDB machine si bia yira na yakohunu obi ho chese ensem basa na easy eye voter transfer ni ade ho nsem bebre. Na we na eye dutini eye rexo ma ni Listowel. Ene wana tisi eye easy mami so ye Jean Mensa when I had the passage in Sembi Atuga, Rígging say Jean Mensa, the people could be a sort of 4 and a born home bunches one near then Listowel, I say. They say the people could be a sort of 4 and say, boy, a year easy Jean Mensa home by any Listowel in Sembi Atuga, or near a year Rex Suma. Now, in Tentamara, the more people, you could see one and some one lead to the fire easy homes and Semia APP and this for a galline near there one a cancer degree. I want person say. Eye isi pese kiane uya banima ye NPP for eno na akoye ensem bebre nti wane nsema wane to ya nti o
wan ho asema na wo kan hwe obia obeka kira wo se sa enema ekoso ya si BVD machines ye nhunu ne bia yira na hwan reba kasa no bi obeka kira wo se eye mistake ana infumso e na aba no ma sheda yi obi adi say friend say enya no kre eye boapayo eye broni beka say deliberate attempt to help the ruling party to rig this election. Enti as a kronfo a owia wa ade wochi na wasio na nka me se me fa de ato yi. The question is ba ku mienu bi ne yahunu dodo say no ma ya yenhunu ye na ma men kan chiro Listo na wo kan asem about Ghana military na omo protect Jean Mensa na asem ya wo kan obisa ye who is the chief commander in chief of the Ghana Armed Forces? Isn't it Akufo Addo? So honestly speaking no ye is na wo ho say no it has been hijacked by Akufo Addo and his cabal. And Omar assure Jean Mensa some be protecting her. The reason why Jean Mensa and her people are doing this with impunity is because of succeeding 2020. Yes. And obi anya ne including even the court system to the extent they say this woman is supposed to be the returning officer when it comes to the presidential elections. But they protected her, say Obi akra and cross-examine her. Not cross-examine no. Now Jean Mensa, the security is even tighter than Akufo Addo himself. Why? Sebi.
Now Jean Mensa pay. Boss Manasare.
No, Boss Manasare. No, Boss Manasare. Obia him say he's a card-bearing member of NPP.
I wouldn't even provide it. One military no.
I don't think that make sure we say. And Sese Maya Nwanwa said the EC na ya want to say no. It has been hijacked by Akufo Addo and cabal. Now Maya ye timwa as ye kasa 2020 election. We don't know the exact figure Akufo Addo nyaya or the be president of Ghana. We don't know because this is the first time since the first republic say ya election na yama a friend say 5 different results. 8 different results. Ni nyina so unhunu ni ti unhunu nkon and nobody
election now bros 100%.
You see, so the whole situation on say adia ekoso no Ghana for say ye mayani an na ho na yan kasa na ya make sure say the right things are done. I'm afraid for this country. I am worried for this country because Akufo Addo ne cabal no oma yo madwen say e kwai bia so. This is the man who went to say somewhere, say, I'm going to hand over to NPP government. By what means? By Rígging. That is the only, unless Sebi Abua Krama crowd nam from Krenim say, on my way, and Yamankoye. So with impunity, not say President Akufo Addo to be now Kikasa and same way. Now look at as if Sebi this is the first time I hear easy. Our Ghana has say. Afarija and Namho, not the secret one. And so no, why na juma pepe. But this particular easy, and near my questioning in there is just a tip on the iceberg. Omar in various places. So back on na Sebi. Ya transfer where ya to baby. It won't mean go to. We should have some. Now Obi Wan say, oh, yeah, we. A dear happened what 2020 now with impunity. Obian to me and challenge this word. I don't even want to hear it. That so-called peace. Friends say peace council. I don't want to hear it. First and foremost, Mami always see when I appoint you. Of course. Akufo Addo na appoint you no.
But that's how
it is. Yes, and when I make a choice, say president in a be appointed. And na sabi o, say president appointed. Tembiano, Tembiano, the appointing authority no. You become so when you be even if the laws of Ghana protect you, Ukraine, these people have a way. Akufo Addo ni subaini say we are politicizing all state institutions in this country. All state institutions have been politicized by President Akufo Addo for his selfish interest.
Kwabena unim say kwada so MP no bribe no come wo you know unim say omo a omoko beli enkola na ye chi omo no special prosecutor there no constituency executives of NPP.
Can you imagine?
Anyway,
enti no ade na ekoso
omo ye mama yi si no
me pesa Ghana fo nyina ye de hye ya adwene mu say this election said the minu aka ye no people NPP for him say if all things are equal they are not going to win this election. Eti Omar adwene say look at the way with alacrity the kasa say oh ye nim say aban the enwi so ye bewiem. And that is exactly what they are doing. It is the Ghana for near Betanasi. Emma MPP are register election where any essay to Jiara.
All right, so that's it to Jiara. That we all can trust and believe, say.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
Functioning
all time. You are
as
watching
it ought
Juicy
to
News
function by the laws of this country, as an electoral commission, or there is an semblance, or there is nothing that depicts of anything electoral commission, but BB ye dream say electoral commission and who said na ye ken. The latter is what I think. And so I feel so strongly when people want to make it look like we are discussing an institutional, like a one remu nanso so no ente saa sabi preduasa se obi se waja na onye waja yem friend eja se obi se o maame amachile de ne bo ayo bo anyo se kwabna obi ese wo yire ana wo hu kani na ukohia no na because ose wo hu kani no ofa ne se wo hu kani a pacho ubetimi ni nada no one ne da se wa bo adwaman meboa enti no ade ye me ya ne se we are not able to tell it as it is. We don't have an electoral commission.
Finito.
This can never be called an electoral commission.
Finito.
And so I was saying you did kind who no crano. Now your man no crane dead. Na simple a crime be a befasuna yebema NCC a correction be a bar. I was here faso. Anya sa na your man yet to say your electoral commission be I want your dream in our own illusionary minds, no. Your fan say there is this artistic impression. I dear man, I yet to say a yanokre.
But microphone at Jubilee House no more running.
Then we have to be facing things as really as they are.
Straight up.
Because maybe I don't believe so. We have an electoral commission.
So I believe so.
I know your first point. Kwabena, let us be able. Mako, the page of the Ghana Armed Forces. Ghana Armed Forces. Me pursue be able. They have 3 sections of the military. One is the Air Force, the other one is the Navy, and we have the Army.
Yeah.
Kwabena, me pacho, who is soldier ni, and I want the Army Command, to tell us why they have, or where do they derive their strength to guard the Electoral Commission from. Today, they should define where in the Constitution page. Their functions.
Oh, okay.
And I may born a tougher.
My 2 straight.
Say, there is nowhere by the law, sir, Ghana Armed Forces, Ebetimia Kwako Bo Obi, and a state institution be home by internal security, and your Ghana Armed Forces a Juma. Until among Sammy Babia, or was out to me now, and until Amadi Guardian. Institutional illegal. Illegal, and it is tantamount to the peace of this country.
Because the institution is not illegal.
It's an illegal institution as of now, because they are not doing anything in the law.
Hold on. The institution Ghana for
yes
was not constituted with by illegality.
Yes.
Omo wo ho sisi anti Jean Mensa and Bossman.
Yes.
And omo perpetrating illegalities,
and they have rendered the institution an illegal institution.
Anyway, let's move on.
What must I say?
Let's move on.
By their fruits we shall know them. No, it's not as if say by their fruits. No, the institution is immune to their fruits. No. They are using the institution to perpetrate that crime. And they have rendered the institution as useless as per the law.
Useless, I agree. Illegal, I no. Because when you say Ghana, ye could be a yatibiano, is as a body, we need it.
Yes.
To govern our democratic pillars.
Yes.
Now so and Crophobia Betrawa perpetrate illegalities.
Okay.
That is Jean Mensa.
You see,
embossment
is
but I agree with you.
No, the Awokano a womb, but I have gone deeper beyond the Awokano.
Okay.
Because your friend will say Brabe host. Akunyana Utimuno, you are supposed to moderate Yetiha as discussants. Ena yepe. And I will say, because you are mandated with, you are clothed with some power, sir. Ube timia me microphone free. And I mention say my idea me pay. When you men free more, no one knew where you may are. Like,
so at the end
you
of
have
the
rendered
day,
your office as a
so at the end of the day. Bobiatia and Yema illegal. It doesn't make CMG an illegal institution.
It can be.
Okay.
It can be. That is legal. It can be. So, what I mean to say is, no, any their backbone. Omar J. Bonnet, I won't press on my year. Bonnet, one trim. Omar J. Bonnet, ena omo person omo di bone enu nti no ma yen fa soldier for omo no omo hu ohu enkonko di Jean Mensa boss ma sare ne Sammy tete no omo achi na embody omo to be able to do that bone na also omo ye no enu nti no Akufo Addo eba be pre to me 2020 no na onim se ekwan ya obefo so a obenya 2020 election no eye kwa boni su nti no e wo se me ma omo asoja fo ma omo bo omo ho ban boni wo mutirim sure anu tu no de soja fo di na chi no but onim eye na esre adwen boni bia ebo wiase bia eba ekura tirimu a no wato ngum because the more na wo anticipation e kosro no na wo downfall ye great what ma say omo di Jean Mensa ti nyina metime abomu di ni nyina from top to down yeah say we have decided to put militarism in place of democracy. Are we in a military junta? No. You also abemu. And then now the soldier for the Jean Mensa, then you must as well leave that presidency for the military. It is obi kwatra baby no okakaku hu asemo and one of my says you. Edika soldier for parliament. Also a serious offense, treasonable offense, punishable by death in some cases. Till that, you who say aban adwumakuo de say parliament krampo a omonko wura parliament no na se bedwafo de te ho till date omonfa nyaade se eyade hu hia
you're waiting for winning and some of your Listowel on a Rexoma when the two guy is Jean Mensa hon sensum a year about to a shui and since some PP remove BBD machine a year a year to butter transfer on some basa when I one day to get any a year soldier for one boy a year Jean Mensa who buy himself and a Listowel Rexoma one of us as a because distribute so and our no so we subscribe ya bomudia say over subscribe to the channel since had here latest and hot news and I'm the Prempeh. I feel we are now like the video and give us a thumbs up nothing share my offer for us now when you be here na we and summer air course also with me at what you fire and some way now I will comment box you mobile in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.